Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can ban someone from your Facebook page. But before I proceed with my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now log into your Facebook from any browser and go to Pages. Select your page. On the left hand side, scroll down and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find People and Other Pages. And here you can see the list of people that have liked your page. Click on people who like this page and from the drop down menu, click on Banned People and Pages. Click on Ban a Person and then type a name or an email address. Click on Save. Facebook will reconfirm with you if you would like to ban that particular person. Click on Confirm. You can see the person has been banned from the page. And this is how you ban unwanted visitors from your page. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.